Hello there, how you doing? And welcome to another video from Flick Cahoon. And this is about making your own protectors for the on-off switches on your gimbal. What I'm trying to tell you there is get a long tube, about half a metre long or 18 inches, some black gaffer tape. This is how I did it and how you can please yourself. You don't have to do it my way. And a craft knife, slash it up, wave it around, Glasgow boy you know. And there it is covered. I've cut the tube into two bits, nothing fancy, you can see the cuts aren't even, and I've put one hard top on one, plastic and tape over. And I've also put tape slightly over the tops. And there's a reason for that, because when you hacksaw it, it's dead rough, and if you don't want to file it, gaffer tape covers it up. And here it is, the Velcro on the FEIYU comes with the FEIYU 1000s or 2000. But if you should happen to hit that button in your camera bag, that's it. Your gimbal motors will burn out. There's the batteries. You can take them out, but you have to have somewhere safe to keep them. I keep mine handy, but with the protectors on. And I also have 6 batteries and 2 cases. I'm tempted to say just in case, but that's like 24 hours. I'm never going to shoot that long. And I've made them so that they're just a little bit longer than what you need. And with the tape on the inside, it fits over that top bit. And there's no danger then of anything touching it. This is the open-ended one. And I'm showing you that I've got the tape over and push it over. Now when you get up to the top there, it's a snug fit there. It's not going to fall off. I'm playing a tune on it just to show you it doesn't switch on, and if it did, you can imagine the catastrophe. That's the double handles with my own bit of Velcro on them, and you can see I've got attachments, ball and socket attachments on for my cameras and sound system and lights and so on and so forth. But the controls I keep to the right. I'm right-handed. And you can see that's an accident waiting to happen in more than one way. So I use the hard top one on there. So it rests down on top of the ball and socket. And in my bag, I know which one then has the switch. And that's basically it. Nice and easy, nice and quick. Go ahead and do it. Cheerio the now. Bye.